say to download new fonts on your Galaxy M34 5G, first you have to go into the settings. From here you have to scroll down and go to the display. Now scroll down one more time and go for the font size and the style. Open font style, and from here tap on the download fonts. Now you will be moved into the Galaxy Store, so you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And now I can recommend you to go for the free font styles. But if you want to pay for it, for sure you can do this. So here you can find the price of each font. But I'm gonna try to download some free fonts by going here. And let's say that I want to get the Samsung Sans, so I have to click on this arrow. And now just wait until the download will finish. So it was downloaded, so now we can open it and click to apply. And as you can see, our font style has changed. And when we go back, we'll also find it just right here. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.